him that.
I ain't gotta do.
Now we're back to NHRA Division racing. It's a P5 race. It's a double divisional at Brainerd. It's Thursday. These are time trials. Jordan is up here again. We got Danielle and her Nova, Donnie and the Nova. Chris is going to be in the dragster, super gas. We got the Malibu out. It's going to be a big weekend. I got to turn my hat on already. Sun's bright. Day's looking beautiful. Let's go. Chris is just saying he had a 13 on the tree, ran a 1091 with a what? 3? Dialed in. So Donnie went 34 red and ran a 1087. I'm not sure what he was doing, but we'll go get the story. Now Danielle's up. All right, buddy.
So,
give me the rundown.
13 on the tree, not too bad. We ran a 1091. I did pedal it twice, a tiny bit at top end. I feel like I needed to, but now that I look back at the numbers, I really didn't, because I think we could have really ran close number to my competitor. He ran a 1090 with a 2, so we'll take that to do 2 and see what we can do next.
Okay, tell me what you did.
I tried to go 87 and went 87.
Guy makes it look too easy.
Well, the only part that was kind of dumb was I made 4 runs yesterday and I was red every time, and I left it and I was red.
34.
Yeah, but I was 24, and I mean it was probably what it should have been.
Yeah.
Looks bad, but it fits with the number.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Good job. All right, we're up here in the lanes again. Q1 for Chris.
We're all gonna head into the shootout tonight. Just saying. Saying it.
Jordan's got some energy.
Yeah.
Fired up. Do a dance. It's terrible.
What's that new one?
Yeah, farm some aura.
Yeah, you gotta get Chris to do it when you pull him.
We should have someone stand on the front of the dragster and do it in the pits.
It's like.
Yeah.
I ain't gotta do shit.
Dude, you're so crabby.
I ain't gotta do shit around.
Tell me what are you gonna put it on?
I don't know. I've been changing my tune-up. I suspect I'll be 88 to 92.
Okay, yeah. Thanks for the range.
I changed jetting, so I honestly don't know how much it's gonna pick me up, but I suspect we're gonna be 88.
All right. If he did that on purpose, so we got to go find out what's going on. All right, we're back up for Chris in the super gas car. Q1, qualified 1. Let's see what he does. I'm not sure what he set up on. We'll, it's just Q1, so he's tested all day yesterday. We'll see what he gets.
That's why I asked you to go look at it. You see how much I slowed down on the 60 foot?
Yep.
Terrible.
Give me the rundown.
I was 11 on the tree. I was slower than I should have been, but the 60 foot was 6 numbers slow from yesterday.
Oh wow. Well, yeah. When I put my foot on there, it barely was sticking to my shoe at all.
Yeah, but you looked like a little girl when you were doing that.
I mean, fair enough. I just didn't want to lose my shoes and look like an idiot after that. Give me what happened on your Super Comp run. You went 93.
Wow, I was 11 in both cars.
Yep, I noticed that.
3, 7. Remember when I changed the tune-up and I told you I didn't know what it was going to do?
Yep.
Something's got to be different because we're 4 slower than the test day on both cars.
How do you feel about that?
I mean, I set up to a trip zip. I went trip zip. I was the first pair up there. I was in the right lane. Car was a little faster than I expected. The 60 foot was slower than I expected. So, I mean, all in all, pretty decent.
Qualifying count 2 for Chris.
Back at it again, day 2, first round. Donnie's in the burn box. I was trying to catch him.
I said we were gonna do it. We did it. My first ever NHRA race, round 1 win. We went a 33 on the tree, a 1093. I did pedal it because the guy was a little late on the tree. He was about 200 on the tree. So I'm like, where is this guy? Looking all over. So I pedaled it once and I was still ahead of him, but I knew that I was over the index. So I come to see the slip and it had a win sign on my side and I couldn't be happier. Everybody's been helping me out. Donnie, AJ, Chris, tuning this thing, getting it right. I'm excited to go to round 2 and see what we can do today.
How about you, Donnie? How'd you do?
I got a little lucky. The guy was red, but the car ran exactly what I wanted. So I was going to work it down there, and I didn't have to, but I was ready for an 86, and I was on 86.
Woo!
Yeah, hey.
Round 1 for Chris in Super Cup. Jordan's confused as usual. What do you want to know?
They kept saying Chris has a bye, but then he's racing
Only had a buy if there was an odd number of cars. And we don't know that prior because we don't know if someone's broke, we don't know all this information.
Yeah.
And it turns out he does not have a buy.
All right.
So he's going to be basing this car, but it doesn't matter.
Get the job done either way.
That's what I thought. Give me the deets, buddy.
Give you what?
Got my ass kicked.
What happened?
I was 14, he was 007. I gotta go see what the numbers show before I can tell you anything.
Nuts.
Hey, we're on round one. Super gas. Are you confused this time?
No, we're
Okay, finally. Golly.
I mean, that helped, right? When I seen them all kind of still going slow, did you notice they were all still
Yeah.
going a little slow?
Yep, but you sped it up enough.
I pulled more out after you left. Just one more.
On the 998 index.
It was a close race.
39 miles an hour.
So what'd you end up putting in it? 61?
61.
18,000.
And what did you tell me when you got up there? 62?
63.
Dwayne Weston and Lyle Schreiner. Wow.
Round two for Jordan. You got it, brother. Yes! All right, Jordan, guys, done. Round two. Moving on. Here we go. Did a great job, Jordan.
Attaboy.
Round two.
Changing lanes.
Super gas.
Trevor Larson just got the win over Chris Hess.
The boss over here.
I literally just said that.
Yeah, Hess got there first by 3,000.
Try again.
On a double,
What do I say?
basically a double breakout.
That was my plan.
Think quick.
We're gonna get the job done.
Riley Mayer in the Napa
Put a good
lane.
tune in it.
The Lucas lane. Larson,
yeah.
Colorado.
It's Chris driving, so good reaction time too.
Ew, got it done.
I was 25 to his 76, and I just took the straight by 62. I mean, I was kicking it a bunch.
I can hear it. Good job, brother.
Alright, hey guys, so unfortunately we didn't make it like I thought. The girl we raced, she was dang good. She won the last divisional, I guess, that they had. She was a 009 on the tree, I was a 39, so I definitely got an improvement there. We did go too fast. She did good finish line driving, making it seem like we were even at the end. I should have dumped on the brakes. I did feel fast, but we had the 92 in there, so we're gonna take it back. Tomorrow we start all over again with qualifying again and then race on Sunday.
Round three for Chris.
And I got a camera now. I feel like a YouTuber.
Unbelievable. Who gave him that?
I stole it.
4? We're going into round 4 now?
Yep. Give me the rundown.
Give you the rundown. We were both great on the tree, and we were both, looks like, running 90s. I thought I had something to get rid of, but according to my slip, I didn't. So as I got rid of what I had, he dropped back a little bit. And then he was out in front of me by a couple hunts. So if I would have not done my job right and got my foot in it, I'd have been 90. But then I would have maybe been okay, but done the wrong thing.
Chris is going against Trevor Larson this morning, former world champ. Let's see if he can get her done.
That was just a great run. Trevor did a great job. He was 12 to my 10 on the tree. He went 90 with the 6. I took 13 stripe, needed to take 8 or less. So, I mean, what do you do with that? All in all, I'm not disappointed.
Yeah.
I mean, he wasn't a world champion for nothing.
Right. Saw the wind light come up for him, and I was like, oof, that was tight. Just took a little too
Got
much
no
stripe.
complaints.
Good work.
Take that run any day.
There you go.